Hello friends, today we are discussing Bose Ultra Open Earbuds versus Sony WF-1000XM5. First we discuss specifications. Bose Ultra Open Earbuds type, open ear design, drivers, custom drivers, Bluetooth 5.3, water resistance, IPX4, controls, touch controls. Sony WF-1000XM5 type in ear, true wireless, drivers, dual drivers, Bluetooth 5.3, water resistance, IPX4, controls, touch controls, voice assistant support. Battery life. Bose Ultra Open Earbuds. Playtime approximately 8 hours on a single charge with case up to 24 hours with charging case. Sony WF-1000 XM5. Playtime around 8 hours on a single charge with active noise cancellation on with case up to 24 hours with charging case. Sound quality. Bose Ultra Open Earbuds. Sound profile more focused on an open and natural sound due to the open ear design, which might sacrifice some bass depth and noise isolation. Sound quality clear, balanced sound suitable for casual listening and awareness of surroundings. Sony WF-1000 XM5. Sound profile rich dynamic sound with deep bass and clear highs thanks to advanced driver technology. Sound quality excellent sound quality with customizable EQ settings. Comfort and fit. Bose Ultra Open Earbuds. Fit designed for comfort with an open ear approach which reduces ear fatigue and is less intrusive. Comfort suitable for prolonged use, especially for those who dislike traditional in-ear design. Sony WF-1000 XM5 fit in-ear design with multiple ear tip sizes for a snug fit. Comfort designed to be comfortable for might find in-ear design less comfortable over time. Active noise cancellation. Bose Ultra Open Earbuds. Limited or no active noise cancellation due to the open ear design, primarily designed to allow ambient sound to pass through for awareness of surroundings. Sony WF-1000 XM5. Highly effective active noise cancellation with the latest technology to block out external noise can be adjusted based on user experience. Which is better? Better for sound quality, Sony WF-1000 XM5 with its superior drivers technology and customizable sound profile. Better for comfort and fit, Bose Ultra Open Earbuds, especially if you prefer an open ear design and less invasive fit. Better for active noise cancellation, Sony WF-1000 XM5 as they offer advanced active noise cancellation capabilities. Better for battery life, both offer similar battery life, but the choice might come down to the user's need for extended use or quick recharges.